Hello guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert a PDF to Word in iLovePDF in 2026. So let's get started. But before we start, iLovePDF is a very famous website for converting, modifying, and editing PDFs. So if you want to manipulate your PDF, edit it as much as you want for free, you can access iLovePDF. It's available here. You're just gonna type in iLovePDF and click on this website right here. And then you're gonna find all these tools right here in the homepage. Now converting PDFs to Word is useful when you want it. To edit documents, copy text, and update resumes or modifying assignments. So first you're gonna open the PDF to Word tool. You're gonna access the iLovePDF homepage, and here you're gonna find a lot of conversions. You're gonna find PDF to Word, PDF to PowerPoint, PDF to Excel. So we're gonna choose PDF to Word, this one right here. So we're gonna select the PDF file we want. You can either upload it via Google Drive, Dropbox, or you can upload it from your computer. I'll choose this one right here. You're gonna select it, then you're gonna click on Convert to Word in the bottom right corner. You're gonna click on this option right here, and it will be converted to Word. Now, you're gonna click on the download document here, download Word, and you're gonna choose where you want to download it. And once the file finishes downloading, you're gonna be able to access it. Just like this with the Word here, as you can see. Now, after you convert it, you can use it for office work, homework, contracts, and document editing. And also another huge tip is enabling OCR when converting scanned PDFs, because image-based documents may not convert properly properly otherwise. You should also review formatting after conversions because fonts, tables, and spacing can sometimes shift slightly. And finally, converting PDFs to Word makes editing much easier to compare to working directly inside the PDF. And that's it. Now you know how to convert PDFs to Word, and I love PDF. And if this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe and comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next video.